Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be installing Calculate. Yeah, I think it's called Calculate Linux 22.01. Yeah, 22.0.1. Okay, so we'll be installing the KDE version of this. The download of the ISO was literally horrid. I hated when they force you to use a torrent file. I think it was forced. Couldn't find an alternative install. So to get a torrent and stuff, it was very painful. But anyways, it's here now, so I've got a file and I can finally review it. Let's hope the experience will be better from here on. Okay, so it's just gonna load me into the KDE desktop. Ooh, this doesn't look like KDE. Expected KDE to be from the bottom, but I guess this is KDE. Ah yeah, it uses Dolphin, it is KDE. Settings, system settings, we'll change the display layout first. Where is the screen display? No. Display and monitor. Okay, we're gonna change this to 2560 by 1440. Apply. Now that's the right. What? That is not how it's meant to work. Is this not the right resolution? Can bump this up to 4K, I guess. Apply again. Oh no, I cannot keep the display resolution. That is very weird. Can I run this at 1050? I guess not. Try the 1440. This is the correct resolution for the Mac. We'll change this to anything larger and apply again. After a restart. Oh, this is so annoying. It's fine. Just keep it and then we'll restart later. Great. I cannot stand me not being able to change the graphics layout now. I'll just install it first, then we'll review from there. And then please, hopefully, better let me change my display layout. Great, English locale. Oh, this is very sensitive. Next. Installation image, calculate Linux desktop. Yes, next. Erase and install. Okay. This uses the GUID partition table. The previous one I used was master boot record for the. No, was I reviewing Artix? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, forgot to enter root password. Oh, click on that, disappears. Okay, done. What? I entered 8 characters. Okay, this is too painful. What is this gonna be? I don't even know what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and 3 passwords appear. 3 dots. Okay, you know what? This works well. But at this point, I don't care. If it works, it works. No, yes. Oh, okay, this is a very bad interface. Next. Okay, let's just use my private password now, since the one that I suggested doesn't work. Oh. No, it does not work. Okay, this is painful. Maybe it's just me not knowing how to use this. Okay, I guess this works. Full access groups. No, we don't need groups, right? Okay. Done. Now this works, right? Okay, no, click this, we don't click that. Yeah, this one doesn't work still. Okay. Okay, this password wouldn't change, so this is the most annoying install I've done yet. No, this thing legitimately won't change. Okay. Encrypt user profiles. Yes, next. It goes passport. Okay, can enter password for guests. Okay. Okay, now this will work. Okay, that works, but I have no clue what my root password is. Supposedly screen resolution. Okay, no. I need this to remain at the resolution I give it. GF terms, video driver, auto detect. Can I change this to like a dedicated one? AMD Radeon. Ah, this probably works. Okay. Then next 24 hours advance. Okay, it's probably done. I'm just gonna install this. The installation takes very long. I might cry. Okay, done. Installing. That was a bit difficult. Formatting, unpacking. This shouldn't take that long. Okay, let's look around while this installs. Okay. KDE did not look like this when I last used it. It was more of like the bar was at the bottom kind of thing, but I don't know. I think KDE comes with both ways. Okay, remove this here and you'll see how the home layout works. Ah yeah, Dolphin. I'm very familiar with Dolphin. Dolphin is amazing. It's one of my favorite desktop managers for Linux. On macOS it's just Finder. Finder's like if you know how to use it, sure. If you don't, then too bad. But it's file manager can be difficult. And Dolphin is, I don't know, I just personally like Dolphin and the UI layout. There's a lot of things you can do here. Yeah. Okay, should install finish sooner or later. Anyways guys, I plan to review more operating systems as well. For this week I have videos for OSs planned out ready. So yeah, y'all can look forward to that. If y'all like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, now it's updating the configuration and it should install pretty quick. Updating configuration. Okay, this is taking a bit. Just leave this here. This conversation, I've never seen this. Oh god, I cannot do this. Why does every single one have this kind of app that I have no clue to use? Installation guide. Is it just gonna open a web page thing? Cause if it is, I have seen this many times. So okay, I guess not. I don't think at least. Okay. Too lazy to read that, but yeah, that's there in case you need it. You can change desktops as well. Go back one, then this is. I don't know. I think that just minimizes tab. Does it? Yeah, it does. Yeah. Okay. 100% on it says to configure grub. Okay, done. Let's reboot. Yes. Broadcast. Okay, reboot. Yeah. Let's hope my display gets the right resolution after this. Yes. Oh, no, that's still the wrong resolution. Okay, I didn't even click anything. Supposedly. Okay. Oh, wait. I think Calculate Linux is based off Ubuntu. I think. But I also think... Let me just Google this first. It is based off... it's based off Gentoo. Okay, let's hope this works. Okay, I'm in. It didn't... Does it have a graphical user interface? What? Huh. Okay, no, this is probably my fault. I'm not allowed to launch the KDE desktop. Time to Google it. Calculate how to launch KDE desktop from terminal. Okay, great. This seems easy. Time to look through a tutorial since I have actually no clue to do this. Starting X manually, start X. Okay. Start X. Okay, I guess that's not the right thing to do. Let me just Control C this. Okay. How do I switch to KDE? Control F1. Nope. 2, 3, 4. Nope. Oh. I see what I did wrong. This is probably my fault. Cause I changed the video graphics drivers. Okay, how to change driver for GPU in terminal Linux. Okay. How to change proprietary driver. Okay. Additional driver. Sudo. This is based off Gentoo, but I think it should have Ubuntu drivers as well. So we will try the Ubuntu drivers devices first. I know this is not Ubuntu, but it's based off, so let's do my password. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to do sudo su first, then we do this again. Su. I should become sudo right now. I mean, I should become super user. Okay. I guess we're just gonna reboot and reinstall. Can I even shut this down? I can't shut down. Does this not work? Can I guest at least? Then change to guest. Please work. I think I just soft locked myself. Great. I can't reboot this. Can restart this then? Let's just clear terminal first. Okay, this is partly my fault for selecting AMD GPU, cause this is VMware. Great. Now let's see how I can fix this without, sudo. Easier way is for me to just reinstall this, but it's not gonna be fun. Def mgmt. Okay, I still cannot shut this down, right? Shut down dash a. Oh, okay, I spelled it wrong. Shut down dash a. I cannot do sudo as well. Can I sudo su? Because I'm not the sudo's file. Sudo su guest. So also no root. But it's very weird that I ls and there's nothing. Cd dot dot cdg permission denied. Can I go beyond that? ls. Okay, now boot ls Linux image. Okay. See, there's a safe mode there. Can we cd the VM Linux thing? Okay. Wait, how does this work? I'll see. Okay, so can we just select the file VM Linux? VM Linux VM. I have no clue how to use this. Wait. And reboot doesn't work. Okay, I guess I must have to use my. Oh, okay, where's my cursor now? Okay, great. Okay, this is very annoying. Okay, now I pull up taskbar. Restart. Okay, this is part my fault. Probably my fault for choosing the driver. Oh god, why does this start so quick? Should we start now? Save mode. Okay, save mode should work. And it should boot me into this graphical user interface kind. Do they not? What? Save mode doesn't start with graphics now. What? This is a scam. Okay. I apologize. Now let's restart this again. Did I not install the graphical user interface? The backspace key doesn't exist. Does the delete key exist? No. That's definitely not my username. But okay. Okay. Does that help? No. Okay. Please enter to boot the selected OS. Press E. I've entered this umpteen times. Please work. Okay, I guess not. I guess we try grab and grab. So what? Please work. No, okay, I guess we can just try launching it again. Okay, it's not gonna work. Wait, what if I log in as root this time? Wait, do I know root password? Yeah, exactly, I don't. It's just a pain. This is the second account that made me create, so it should work. Why does it not work? Yes, I'm in. Please, sudo work. But I don't really think I know the sudo password. Okay. Can I resume to change user? Please work. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna have to redo this another day where it can actually install. I think the first mistake I made was choosing the AMD GPU thing. Second mistake I made was, I don't know, I couldn't figure out how to get the user creation thing working. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this for now a 5 out of 10 cause it's partially my fault and partially their fault. So I wouldn't blame it entirely on that. I think that the user interface can be easier or slash yeah, just easier for in general. And yeah, for beginners, I do not recommend this. This is very painful if you get stuck in this kind of thing. You cannot get access to root, you cannot do a lot of things, but that could also end up being my fault. So overall, I can only give this a 5 out of 10 for now. The installation was difficult, the downloading of the ISO was also very difficult. So yeah, that's the best I can give it. I wouldn't recommend this for now. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you all like it, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!